This video gives a brief introduction into the TerreSculptor custom TSmap file format and its uses. TSmap is the custom file format of the TerreSculptor software for height map, mask, and weight map files. TSmap contains data that is the full bit depth of the TerreSculptor engine for maximum quality. To load a TSmap format file, use the Open Terrain item on the File menu. To save a TSmap format file, use the Save Terrain As item on the File menu. Even though the menu items call the TSmap file a terrain, it can also be used for masks and weight maps. Many of the devices in TerreSculptor that reference external height map or mask files also support the TSmap file format for maximum quality and compatibility. The TSmap file format is a basic headered file with a signature identifier, a set of properties, a thumbnail, and the 32-bit floating point height map data. The 32-bit floating point height map data can be optionally compressed using gzip stream compression. When saving height maps, masks, or weight maps out of TerreSculptor for long-term storage, only a 32-bit floating point file format should be used for maximum quality, such as TSmap or TIFF Float 32. File formats such as 16-bit grayscale PNG are lossy formats compared to the TerreSculptor engine and should typically not be used for file storage.